Hey, good morning. Sean with Sean's Outdoor Journeys. Question for you. Did you ever come over to your boat that has the cover on it after a lot of rain? I have, and I don't like it because it ponds, it stresses out your cover, as well as it's a great breeding ground for mosquitoes. So stay with us today because we have the solution. We are going to put extension poles in there that will rise up the cover, and the theory is to shed that water out of there, so when it does rain it just goes off the sides instead of pooling and ponding like we will show you. So stay tuned. Here's what comes with the GOOSO 2-pack boat cover support pole system. Inside the package you will get two height adjustable support poles designed to sit underneath your boat cover and help keep it raised so rainwater and debris don't collect on the top. You also get six black adjustable straps that can be used to help stabilize the support system and keep everything positioned properly. Everything you need for the support system comes together in one convenient package. We started out by laying all the components on the table so we could actually see how everything went together. Assembly from there was straightforward. The vertical support poles slipped right into the base plates, and then we installed the top plates on each pole. From there, we took everything outside to the boat and began positioning the support poles where they would provide the best support underneath the cover. Next, we installed the black adjustable straps, connecting them to create the support system. This part took a little more time because we had to adjust the position and the height of the poles and the tension, the straps, until everything was where we wanted it to be. Once we had the poles properly positioned, we tightened the adjustable straps to hold the system securely in place. The finished setup basically creates a raised framework underneath the boat cover. With everything adjusted, we put the boat cover back over the boat and secured it tightly to the trailer frame. You can see the difference. The support system raises the cover and creates a slope, helping rainwater run off instead of collecting and pulling on the top of the cover. If you're looking for a simple way to add support underneath your boat cover and help protect it from the water buildup, this is definitely a system worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next review.